Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of this amazing package that my friend V sent me. She is Buzzing with V on Instagram and on YouTube. I'll have her link down below, so you guys can definitely go check her out and go subscribe and tell her that I sent you, because she's awesome and super crafty. But you guys, look at all this pink. So I'm going to show you guys each little flap. Look how cute. I love the way she decorated. It looks so pretty. And of course, my little card. And she used a super cute little Ray Dunn card. Look at that. So adorable. She sent me my entry for my challenge. And she also wanted to give me some goodies, just because she's amazing like that. So let's get into all these goodies. V's super generous, you guys. She has sent me some goodies before, but she is so generous and so amazing. I'm so blessed to have you amazing girlies in my life. Oh my gosh. She really wrapped this up. There's some bubble wrap here. All the gold crinkle and confetti that you guys know I'm going to be saving. So I'm thinking I'm going to take everything out of the box like I usually do. And then we'll go through it. Ooh, what's this? Yummy-Ness. I am definitely saving all this yummy mintness. Look at that. Super cute. Let's see what else we have here. I did get a little sneak peek of some stuff that she sent. Okay, this is like a little separation barrier. You guys are going to go crazy if you haven't seen her post on these. So cute. Look at this, you guys. Is this not the cutest? I am so excited. And I just did my shelf, so these are going on my shelf. Look at that. How cute is that? And what is in here? Look at this bag, you guys. How cute is this? Where do you go? I don't know where you guys find these things. Look at this keychain. How cute! Girl, you find the cutest things. And look at this, you guys. These are some erasers. Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry for that weird cutoff, but for some reason it just stopped filming and I didn't notice, and I was just talking and talking and then realized that I wasn't filming. So I took everything out of the box, and these are all the goodies that V sent me. Do you guys see these beauties? I am so excited to put these on my shelf. They are beautiful. She sent me some extra goodies. She sent me a little keychain. She sent me some super cute little erasers. Look how cute these are. Kiss, hugs, and cute. And then she sent me this little zebra bag. You guys find the most adorable things that I never come across. This is so cute. And there's something in here. Ooh, I think it's another Ray Dunn pad. Yes, it is. Ooh. It's a list pad and it says tasks. How cute. Now I have two, thanks to V, because she is amazing. And another pen. And it says edit. Oh, that is so cute. That's what I'm going to have to do in this video, is edit it, because I could have sworn I was recording and I wasn't. All right, you guys, let's get into the goodies. Look at this. She's into, at the moment, altering wooden pieces, and you guys, she's so good at it. Look at this beauty. She painted the whole box, added all the little pieces. You guys have to definitely go check her out, and all her little embellishments are in here. Let me take them out and show you them. Look at this, you guys. How cute. Are they not the cutest little banners? I'm so gonna have to create some of these because they are so cute. I absolutely love them, girly. And I love the way you put them inside here. Such a good idea. So cute. Put them right back in there for now. Look at that. Is that not the cutest? Let's put that right here. I don't know what's going on, but it got cut off again. So here we are again for the third time. And here's the next piece that she sent me, you guys. And it's a little house that she altered. And, oh, I love the collections that she chose. You guys know I love me some Maggie Holmes. Carousel is amazing. Oh, this is heavy. You guys, look how beautiful this is. Girl, you are really good at altering these little wood pieces. That's amazing. It's like perfect. Look at that. Thank you so much. I love it. I love it. And then the last little thing here is I see it's a little bag, like a bag flip or loaded bag. And it looks like this and everything coordinates and it's amazing. And she gifted me some tassels. Ooh, these are pretty. I don't have any of these. She also gifted me some mint green ones. You guys know that my love for mint is so real. She made me some mini rosettes. Super cute. And look, you guys, I don't have these either. I love these. These are really pretty. Oh, V, girl, thank you. And look at this little bag that she made. She gave me this is my favorite ephemera piece, by the way, in that ephemera pack. She made a cute little flag. Look how cute. Do you guys see that? Super cute. Let me see, does the rosette come out? No, I think that's just the design. So a little page flag and then the little ephemera. This little giraffe, is it? Yeah, giraffe, the giraffe. Look how cute. You guys, this is so cute. Thank you so much, V, for your kindness, your generosity. You didn't have to do this. You had already sent me a bunch of goodies. But thank you so much for entering my challenge and showing so much love and support and always being so kind. And yeah, you guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.